Peace, love, and light. Feathers up. We're not just talking it, we actually living it. It's a great grandiose day. Whew. Man, I'm freaking man, dog. Oh my gosh. I gotta tell y'all something, man. Well, I just came back from the store at night. Give me a lid. One of these lids. It's a big lid. I'm not even gonna try to give it all in the shot. 45 gallon lid, cause I had to get the lid because I bought the container, the crate. But I forgot the lid because they had the lids like in the back behind it when you grab it. But you know, I went to the store to get some earlier. You dig? Man, so anyways, when I came there today, I went to the front customer service. I had told them that, and then I know it was since it is pale lady, but it was this narcissistic female who I was friends at the time, but I did peep her. Like, I noticed that, well, one how it started was that she said something like, oh, she loves my smile or something like that. I don't know. I think I said something. I liked her hair or something because she had like an afro or something, And I see sisters with an afro, I like to tell them or something, or just a virgin hair. I like to tell them I like it. So anyways, I seen it. And then this is like through like me recovering from narcissism. But it was like, so then I noticed that she said she like really likes my smile, stuff like that. Something like, I think I was also something, and I'm like, and I just said, I appreciate it, stuff like that. We talking. I noticed that she asked what I was doing or something, and I told her I run a business. And then she was telling me how she wanted to lose weight and all this other stuff. And I'm a health coach, and I was so passionate about, helping people, especially our people. So then I just gave my website. It's free content. It's free content, not including that we charge your consultations and whatnot. But it's free content, a bunch of free content, a plethora, really. You can't ever run out and say you read it all. You know what I'm saying? Because we just got so many sources and so many resources. So then she's like, so basically she kept giving us the runaround for the longest. I know we didn't know any better because we just were so passionate about helping people. And she knew that, but she took advantage of that. So I think one day she finally, like, I don't know, she gave me like her contact or something. Written down my site. Yeah, she wrote down my site. She tried to get me to write it down. I said, no, you write it down. And she thought I wasn't going to stand on that. But she saw I did, so then she ended up writing it down. So crazy. I noticed that too as I like around her. It's like she started trying to like rush me one time because I saw she's like on a break to go talk to her. I was going to go talk to her, and I was like, hold on, I'm gonna go. But she was like rushing me like she had to go somewhere. But she was just walking around the store on a break. And then I did notice that. And one time when she was working to go talk something, it was like a customer who needed her help, and who was calling her, and she was playing ignoring him, act like she didn't see him or anything or something, and trying to like get out the way. And I'm like, I was just like, what the? She was like, she see I'm talking about you? She see I'm talking to somebody while she gonna do it? I'm like, yeah, at work though. Yeah, I'm like, yeah, at work though. You're supposed to work. A customer needs help. You're supposed to help. I was like, no, I'm gonna do that. And she was just like, so that was just like another red flag. And what else? Man, oh freaking man. Then I know one time when she was talking about nonsense. She wasn't saying anything. I noticed that she made it seem her own job. Like, she was just like loud. And I think she's like, no, you don't say that to me. And I'm like, I never said that. And the whole time I'm never trying to argue with her. I just provided my point. And then she was just like, and then she kept trying to cut me off. Well, she was cutting me off, but I was talking or whatever. And then, they like to cut you off, and so much to this point where you were ready to talk. You like,